Hi guys, and welcome to today's lesson where we're going to look at yet another subgenre of rock and pop. And today we're going to look at punk music. So the backing track is going to be 32 bars in length. It's going to be 16 bar verse and 16 bar chorus. So effectively in each section you're going to play your groove, because it's a 2-bar groove, 8 times. After the in the fourth time, so in the 8th bar of each section, you're going to try and play the 2-beat fill, and then in the 16th bar, so the final bar before you transition to the next section, you're going to play the 4-beat fill. In the verse, I'm going to play the hi-hats, and in the chorus, I'm going to play the ride cymbal. Keep it really energetic, really driving, really loud and powerful. That's what this music is about.